We are founded on a promise, and that promise is protects what's good. Protecting food, protecting people, and protecting the planet. And that is really what's driving Tetra Pak. Sustainability has been a big part of our journey from the beginning, since we are made of a renewable source, paper. We package food and beverages into cartons. Our founders said a package should save more than it costs, and that is really a principle that we are trying to live by. Another thing that is also guiding us and that we are using a lot is the UN Sustainability Development Goals. The biggest one is to become carbon neutral by 2030, but by 2050, secure that our whole value chain is carbon neutral. We realized that we need to evolve as a supply chain. So we looked at different platforms and we chose to go with Oracle Transportation Management. We wanted to say, in logistics specifically, what can we do to support the sustainability? We can, of course, reduce the number of transports. But if we need to have transports, how can we do them in the smartest way? And this is where Oracle helps us a lot. We can now see what is ahead of us. Before, it was difficult to imagine what we could do with this. Now, the more technology we have, the more we can see. It's our planet together, it's our Earth, it's our resources, so why shouldn't we together find the solution? Imagine that I work for a company that in the future we might create a package that doesn't leave anything behind. For me, that's super exciting.